Hello, I'm Curtis Hamilton, and this is my introduction video and goals setting for the ePortfolio. A little bit about myself. I currently teach at Shining Heights High School in Tecumseh, Kansas, which is on the east side of Topeka. I teach in the Social Studies Department, in which I teach various classes, AP Government, U.S. History, and World Geography. I serve as the Social Studies Department Chair as well, in which I also serve on the Building Leadership team, the AVID team, and the Curriculum team. I also serve as a football coach and a track coach. I am married. I have a wife named Caitlin. We don't have any kids yet, but we're hoping to start a family soon. I do have a needy dog down there. You see a picture of Dudley. Dudley is our basset hound. Some of my hobbies, I enjoy my career, so I spend a lot of time at professional developments, going to conferences. I also spend a lot of time at the school working in committees and things like that. So that's part of it. But when I am away from the school in my career, I like to take trips. Me and my wife like to take trips right now, really within the United States. Going to the East Coast has been kind of our recent thing. DC several times, New York, Philly, and we enjoy doing that. So that's kind of what I do when I'm not at school. Some of my personal goals. In 1 to 5 years, I hope to keep updating my house. In the last year, I did my floors and then did the garage. So trying to continue to update our house, pay off my student loans, mine and my wife's. So continue financial goals is that. And then also start a family, have kids, and kind of get that going in my life. In 6 to 10 years, again, my big goal is just to feel financially secure, have my loans under control, have my house loan, my student loans paid off, and that is kind of my 6 to 10 year goal personally. Beyond 10 years, I hope to have even my house loan paid off, be able to add upgrades to my house, maybe some stuff to the outside, and then also continue to take family vacations because, again, I do like trips to places, especially here in the United States. Some of my professional goals in 1 to 5 years, I hope to continue to work in leadership. I hope to finish this program. I hope to continue educational training, so look for other opportunities to advance myself academically. And also, I'd like to take advantage of our school's ESL certification program through universities to help become ESL certified. So that's 1 to 5 years. In 6 to 10 years, I hope to complete possibly the district leadership certification. I'm kind of seeing what the building leadership looks like, and then that is maybe one of my goals as I go further. And then also have a leadership position, maybe make that step up into the leadership role and out of the classroom area. In 10 years and beyond, I hope to have an established career, whether that be in the classroom or whether that be in a leadership position in a building or in the district level. And then I also hope to be a continual learner, to continue this passion I have for learning about education and learning about really just things in general, and then hope I can continue that over my years in education. My expectations of the program, my expectations for this program is to challenge me as an educator and my thinking as an educator, to continue my evolution as a person and an educator so that I do not become, rest on my laurel and just a person who's fine with where I'm at. I want to continue to push myself in my academic knowledge. And then I also really expect this to be a reasonable pace program in which I can kind of do it as I feel the pressures of life and stress of life kind of fit the program in where I can get it done. So that was kind of my expectations of the program. And again, this is my introduction video. I'm Curtis Hamilton. Thank you.